Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
We'll continue to track heavy downpours and thunderstorms on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. However, they're strong but not classified as severe. To get the severe criteria, you need large damaging hail, damaging wind gusts. We're not seeing that, but certainly downpours and some frequent lightning. And it's the reason why the flash flood watch has been converted briefly over to a flash flood warning in anticipation that some streets may have some quick flooding due to these downpours. But you can see a solid line from just south of Boston through the outer boroughs, northern part of the state, getting ready to move into the Providence metro area, western Kent County, where it's not particularly heavy right now, and into southeastern Connecticut. But it's this one line in the northern part of the state in the Providence metro area right in here. While it may not be severe in terms of hail or damaging wind, it is certainly producing quite a bit of rain over a short period of time. In fact, this is Route 295 right in here. So, I mean, travel must be very difficult at this point. So if you're expecting a loved one home from the evening commute, some flooding rains are likely as this whole line tracks off to the east and southeast right now at about 25 miles per hour. So flash flooding anticipated with this particular line of some pretty heavy downpours. That's why a flash flood warning for the areas in red, northwest corner of the state, out towards the Boston and northern Bristol and Plymouth counties in Mass, and then across southeastern Massachusetts. The areas in green, it's a flash flood watch, meaning the potential for some brief localized street flooding as some of these storms work in. You can see in Providence right now, had dark skies not too long ago. It's still cloudy, but one band of heavy rain getting ready to work in. It's actually off the edge of your TV set, so downpours are likely in the city very shortly. In fact, Sean Daly sending this picture on Route 195 and those dark skies, and certainly the look of thunder and downpours. So we'll keep this in the forecast at least for the next couple of hours before things wind down later on this evening. Temperatures now range from the low 70s in Smithfield due to rain. It's cooled off quite a bit. 83 in Providence, mid and upper 70s along the South Shore. Now let's take it into the future. Very simple. Watch the clock right up in here. 8 o'clock this evening. What's left of the downpours and showers and thunder breaking apart, though the chance is still there. But during the overnight hours, essentially just cloudy and quiet, some areas of fog. 8 o'clock in the morning, any leftover clouds and fog will burn off to sunshine. And notice we're not painting a lot of green on the map, which represents rain or thunder. 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's actually warm sunshine right on through the late afternoon and early evening hours. So bottom line, a very warm day coming up. But what's nice about tomorrow, the humidity levels should be much, much lower. So Futurecast for this evening, the threat of the downpours and thunderstorms now until about 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. Thereafter, it'll quiet down. Temperatures in the 70s tomorrow morning. Any early morning fog burning off to at least partly sunny skies and a noticeable drop in the humidity, but a very warm day by the afternoon hours. Not quite 90, but close. So warm to almost hot, but without the humidity, it should feel a lot nicer. Small outside chance of a passing shower, but better part of tomorrow will be rain-free. Comfortable, refreshing on Thursday at 80. Extra clouds on Friday. High temperature again near 80. Low and mid-80s this weekend. Partly sunny Saturday and Sunday. Chance of a scattered shower or thunderstorm on Sunday. Beaches will be pretty warm tomorrow after the early morning fog burns off to sunshine. Air temperature 83. The water temperature has been warm all season long. Now getting up to 75 degrees. So the concern now through about 8 o'clock this evening for some of these heavier downpours to be working through, and while the flash flood warning is still in effect, this tends to be brief and localized street flooding as these storms work from northwest to southeast. They'll be weakening in the next couple of hours, and certainly better weather ahead for tomorrow with much lower humidity and not nearly as muggy.
Okay, thanks, Tony.